Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to solve for the value of y. Okay, so we're saying given these matrices, these two matrices, when you multiply them together, you should be able to get 9. Okay, but then the problem is that we have a problem, and the problem is we don't know what this variable equals to. Okay, so when we solve, that's when we can realize the value of y. Okay, so how do we go about it? So the first thing that you need to realize when you're given this kind of equation is to see if the matrices are compatible. Okay, and when I say compatible, I mean when it comes to multiplying matrices, there are certain matrices that you cannot multiply. Okay, you cannot multiply. So how do you check if two matrices are compatible, like you can multiply them? You check using their order. Okay, so what is the order of this matrix here? The order is 1 by what? 1 by 2. What is the order of this matrix? Is 2 by what? By 1. Okay, so this last number on the first matrix should be equal to the first number on the second matrix. If these numbers are equal, it means those two matrices are what? Are compatible. They can be multiplied together. You can multiply them. Okay, so we know that these can be multiplied. Okay, and then the other thing is the number that remains this side and the number that remains on the other end gives you the order of the of the matrix. So when you look at these matrices, when we multiply them together, the answer should be a 1 by 1 matrix. Quite easy. Okay, so how do we now get started? Okay, we know that we can multiply these, and we know that our answer should be a 1 by 1. So we know that multiplying matrices, they basically form something like a 7. Okay, so you move this one with this one, this one with this one, then you write the answer. So we're going to start by multiplying 1 times 3. Okay, so we have 1 multiplied by 3 plus 3 times y. 3 times y, this should give us 9. Okay, so what is 1 times 3? This will give us 3 plus 3 times y, this will give us 3y, and that should equal to what? 9. We know that now this becomes an equation. So this is going to be now 3 plus 3y will equal to 9. Then we can collect the like terms. So when we collect the like terms, this will go the other side. This is going to be 3y equals to 9 minus 3, meaning 3y will equal to what? 6. So here, this will mean that 3y equals to 6. This will now mean we can divide with 3. So the 3 and 3 will cancel out. We'll have y, which will equal to what? 2. Okay, so if you substitute this y here with a 2, then you try to multiply these two matrices, you should be able to get 9 as the answer. Thank you very much for watching, and follow for more.